Hello friends, today for your social studies assignment, what I want you guys to do is look a little bit closer at community helpers, and I want you to think about which community helper that you really see helping a lot in your community, and I want you to draw a picture of a community helper of your choice and write a sentence about how they help the community. So maybe in your community a lot you interact with teachers because you go to school. Maybe you want to draw a picture of a teacher and write about how teachers help students to learn. That could be your sentence. Or maybe you see a lot on the streets a mail carrier, the guy or woman who brings you your mail. You could write a sentence about a mail carrier and draw a picture of them. You could say, they help to deliver our mail. You could maybe write about a firefighter and how they help keep people safe and put out fires. You could write about a doctor. So you get to pick any community helper that you want, and here's some examples on the screen. And after you pick your community helper, you're going to draw a picture of them and write a sentence to tell me how they help the community. What do they do to help you guys out?